What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So today I'm going to run you through a couple online arbitrage examples. I'm going to source a couple products here right from my computer right here right now. I have no idea what to expect. I haven't done this, haven't looked through any of the products yet. I'm literally going to run through this process right here right now with you. So we're going to jump in here in a second, but today is Monday, the Monday before Thanksgiving, and today basically launches the pre-launch for our Black Friday sales on my website. So that's site-wide, literally any product, site-wide, anything is 60% off. And I'm going to run through that for you here in a second, but I'm going to run you through a bunch of online arbitrage this week and examples because I'm launching my new premium course, Online Arbitrage Pro, which will basically walk you through how to do all of this. But before we actually jump into this, let's give you a little bit of value so I can show you exactly what I mean by that. So here we are on one of the coupon sites that I use in my first Retail Arbitrage Pro course, Vipon. Now, there's still great deals on Vipon. People tell me all the time that they don't find deals on Vipon. I use Vipon all the time. I still use it. I still find great deals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort through instant deals here on Vipon. As soon as it loads, if it loads, for some reason my computer's been slow today. There we go, and I'm going to sort price low to high. Now you can sort discount high to low too. That typically is a better option to go. But if you want to start really low, you'll see here you can buy this for 80 cents, resell it back on Amazon for $8. Now the reason I like these coupon sites specifically here with Vipon is because you get great products that you can resell back on Amazon. You know that there's a market for it because you can check them. You get them for a great deal. You get them for literally in a great margin. A lot of them you can buy really cheaply, and the best part about all this is you can do it right from your computer. So you don't have to go out to a retail store to source and kind of search stuff on the eBay app or the Amazon app. That can certainly work. You don't have to go out to a garage sale. That can also certainly work. You don't have to do any of those arbitrage sourcing methods like go to a Goodwill or anything like that. You can source products all from your computer, get them delivered to your house, repackage them up, and ship them back out right from your house. My entire course walks you through all of that. It's called Online Arbitrage Pro, and yes, that is 60% off as well. That will be the first link in the description if you're interested in that. Now, in my Retail Arbitrage Pro course, it's a little bit, I've talked about this in past videos, it's a little bit less, a lot less value because you're only getting 2 or 3 websites that you can source from, so the deals are limited and your earning potential is capped. On top of that, Amazon has kind of adjusted in the marketplace recently, so a lot of the old tactics that you used to be able to do don't work as well now as they did in the past. So you kind of have to adjust, and I put a bunch of lectures on at the end to show you exactly how to handle stuff like that so that you can adjust. But today I'm going to show you an example from one of my retail arbitrage sites. I'm not going to give you any examples from the Online Arbitrage Pro course. That has about 6 to 10 other great websites that you can use to source endless profitable products and literally scale up to about 5 to 10K a month with your online arbitrage right from your house. So let's jump in. Enough of that babble. I want to show you some cool products. So this is a good example. I'm going to run through a couple here with you. Now, in my experience, I've been doing this for a while. This looks like a great margin. It sells on Amazon for 50 bucks roughly. You can get it for $3.99. I know most of the time when I source clothing items like this, they're not the best items. So I'm just going to skip it because I know that from experience. I typically like to go after products that have a margin of at least 10 bucks so that if you get hit with like a $1 fee from Amazon and you get hit with, as high as like a $2, $3 shipping charge when you're shipping just that item in yourself, and these are all things I go over how to combat this and how to kind of, ship a bunch of stuff in at once and kind of, really the best method for doing all this. And if I'm talking too fast, drop a comment down below. I'm just excited about this business model. I'll answer any questions. But just all you really need to know is I like to go for products that are about $10 profit margin or better. So let's open up this one and check this one out because you'll see here the margin is higher than $10, right? I can buy it on this coupon site for $139. I can get it back on Amazon when I resell it for a little bit under $13.89 because I'm going to want it the buy box, right? So I'm going to get this coupon and check it out. Let's see what it looks like on Amazon and we'll run the numbers. So it's got 4 reviews. And if I scroll all the way down, one of the things that I notice right here is it doesn't have a, it doesn't have a bestseller rank. So that's a little bit sketch right off the bat for me. The first thing I do before anything else is I want to check to see if I can sell it. Because if I can't sell it, all of this is irrelevant. It doesn't matter. Check it, and I can sell it. New, used, refurbished, I can sell it. So I'm able to sell it, but there's no bestseller rank. Now, in my experience, I know that means because this hasn't really sold that much, and so it probably isn't a product I want to go after. Now, in my course, in my Retail Arbitrage Pro course, I recommend staying under 100,000 BSR rank for any category. However, there are different categories, so I also recommend using the Jungle Scout web app to check the specific daily sales and the specific monthly sales to make sure that you're getting profitable products. But I'm just going to nix this because I know that this has no bestseller rank visible, so it's probably a bad product. And the great thing about this is, obviously, Vipon has a bunch of products. Obviously, I'm going to go over another website with you, and I might go over 2 or 3 more websites with you this week, so check back if you're interested in it. I'm going to drop a new video every single day, launching up to the Black Friday sale. But I got a lot of great content for you coming, but there's a lot of great products on Vipon, and obviously there's great products on the other websites in the course. So let's check this one. It's another cell phone case. Looks like I got this one already. Must have meant it was a good deal, and I sent it back in. Don't remember doing that though. Let's check this leather band for the Apple Watch. So $170, $16.99, profit margin higher than $10. Let's check it out on Amazon. It's got 102 reviews, pretty solid, obviously. You always want at least 1 review. So even if a product looks good numbers-wise and has good bestseller rank, if it doesn't have any reviews, you can sell it. It works, but I caution people to stay away from them just because there's so many other great products that you can buy that do have reviews that that person's a little bit more invested in that, that listing. So bestseller rank 4,000. Take the ASIN, make sure I can sell it. Boom. And I can't. So all the numbers look great, but I can't sell it because I need to request approval. So this is a bad product. I can't sell it. Let's go to the next one. And obviously I'm slowing this down to teach you, but you can run through this in like 10 to 15 minutes and source about 20 products on Vipon. I do it all the time. Let's check this one. Large personalized Sophia rug. Oh, it's personalized. Another caution. Great, you're getting great tips in this video. So this is personalized. You want to stay away from anything personalized. So whether that's like a wedding photo or like a baby, personalize a baby name on your baby footprints. I know that's random, but you see a lot of products like that. Anything personalized, stay away from, because when you order them, obviously you're going to get that personalized Sophia rug. Then you're going to need to sell it to a Sophia. Doesn't really work, if that makes sense. Let's find a good one here. This one might be all right. It's close to $10 profit margin because you can resell it for about $11. You're getting it for $1.10. Let's check it out. So no reviews. I would caution you to stay away from this, but if it has a decent bestseller rank, you could get away with selling it. So 100,000. It's right on that edge of 100,000 in health and household. So you probably could still sell this and make a margin on it, but I would recommend not doing that because it's right on that verge of 100,000 and it has no reviews. This watch might be a decent one. Let's check it out. This one might be a decent one. Let's check it out. Let's just run through a bunch of them. I'm going to check them all out for you. So this has 30 customer reviews, but it's Oxwell, and again, I probably can't sell it. Same brand name I couldn't sell before. Let's check it out, even though I doubt that I can sell it. And the more you start sourcing, and obviously I'm just giving you examples here of different products. See, I can't sell this. Request approval. You'll get better at knowing what products you can usually sell, what ones, typically you're not allowed to sell, and you'll just get better at kind of vetting them, so you'll be able to go through this fast. I can source products now in literally 10 to 15 minutes and buy like 20 profitable products that I'm going to make like 10 to 15 bucks on. It's that simple. So 1088, the profit margin is pretty close to 10 bucks. 22 customer reviews, 12,000 BSR rank, pretty solid. ASIN, can I sell it? I can sell it. So this would be a great product. So if I wanted to go ahead and buy this product, what I would do, I'm not going to add it to my cart and actually buy it because then it will show my address, not necessarily something I want to show online. But what I would do is I'd add it to my cart, and then I would simply copy the coupon code. I'd use it, and I'd be able to buy this product for $1.10. And when it comes to my house, I would ship it back into Amazon, and I would sell it for about $10.88. Now, yes, you do this one at a time sometimes, but if you do this with like 20 to 50 products and then you ship them all back in at once, boom, Amazon's doing all the fulfillment for you, and that's probably like a grand or two that you're going to make, depending on the margin. My math might be off right there, but you can wait till you get 100 products. You can do it at 10 or 20 products, whatever you want to do, however much money you have to invest. You can take that and spin it and reflip it back on Amazon off these coupon sites like Vipon here and make a shitload of money. So that's a great example. Let me go through another one really fast here and see if we can find one more before I hop off and stop doing this. So no reviews, and it's free shipping. Always go for the prime products and always make sure there's a review. So this is a bad product. But if we went down Vipon and we sourced through a bunch of other products, you'll see a bunch of stuff listed here, you know, coupon-wise. There's probably another 10 to 20 products that you can find today because you're limited per account on Vipon to 20 products, but you can have multiple accounts. Also something I talk about in the course in depth. But that's basically what I do. I source coupon sites and I source on other sites as well. And I find products where I can flip for about $10 profit margin. So if I find 20 a day, that's, guess what? That's, what is that? That's $200 a day that I'm finding on Vipon. And then I flip them back into Amazon and sell them for a profit. Amazon does 90% of the work for me. I just simply repackage the boxes, source them like this, and that's how I make about $5,000 every single month. And I use that $5,000 to cash flow my other businesses. If you guys want to learn how to do this in depth, like I said, take advantage of this week's opportunity. I'm launching this pre-Black Friday sale right here, right now this week. Every product, not just Online Arbitrage Pro, which I'm exactly showing you right here, every single product site-wide is 60% off. Use the code. I'll pop the code up on the screen right now. I'm not going to put it in the description to advertise to certain people that didn't watch the video, but use that code on the screen right now. It's all caps, and if you use that, you can get Online Arbitrage Pro or any product site-wide 60% off. So if you need an extra $5,000 a month, an extra $10,000 a month potentially once you scale, this is your best bet. I still do this every single day because it's phenomenal way to cash flow my other businesses. So hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Also drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this business model. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always willing to help and answer questions for anybody else that's interested in getting into it. This is honestly one of the best businesses that you can do online right now because you can do 90% online. Obviously, if you want to take it to the FedEx or the UPS centers yourself, you can do that, or you can schedule pickups too. Also something that I talk about in the course. But that's pretty much the meat and potatoes. I wanted to run you through a couple of examples of sourcing online arbitrage products today. I'll be dropping another one of these tomorrow from another coupon site. I'll also be launching, this whole week I'll be kind of showing you and taking through the business model from different aspects of it to kind of generate awareness and really kind of launch this course because I just launched it this past week. So, like I said, coupon if you want to grab it for 60% off, and I will see you tomorrow.